Welcome. Today, we are exploring the foundational select statement in Snowflake. By 2026, Snowflake has evolved into a powerful AI data cloud, but the select statement remains the bedrock of everything we do. Think of your data living securely in the cloud across layers of storage, compute, and services. The select statement is your bridge to that data. Think of select as asking the database a specific question. It delivers the exact answer you need, even when sorting through millions of rows in seconds. Snowflake makes working with semi-structured data like JSON incredibly simple. Instead of forcing data into rigid tables, you can store it directly using the variant type. Think of the variant type as a flexible container. It holds your nested data without needing you to define a fixed schema beforehand. To extract data, we use dot notation. By chaining colons, we reach deep into the nested JSON structure. This gets you the exact information you need instantly. This schema on read approach means no complex ETL processes. You query it as it is, which is why it's a game changer for modern data platforms. One of Snowflake's most powerful features is time travel. It allows you to query data as it existed in the past without needing complex backups. You can access past versions of your tables using the AT or before clause. Here's a simple example using an offset to see data exactly 1 hour ago. This feature is incredibly useful if you accidentally delete data or need to troubleshoot a state change that happened during a processing job. Always remember, time travel is defined by your data retention period. Keeping track of your retention settings is key to successful data recovery. Every query you run in Snowflake consumes compute power from a virtual warehouse. Think of it as the engine powering your data retrieval. Snowflake organizes data into micro-partitions. Your warehouse only reads the partitions it absolutely needs. Follow the filter early rule. Always use where clauses to prune data. This avoids scanning unnecessary micro-partitions, which directly reduces your compute costs. Remember, choose your warehouse size carefully to balance speed and budget. Always filter your data and only select the specific columns you need to keep your costs under control. In 2026, querying databases has evolved. We no longer just pull raw rows and columns. Today, we query intelligence itself using Snowflake Cortex. Cortex sits directly inside the platform, connecting your data to powerful AI models without needing to move that data anywhere else. Take this example. We are running sentiment analysis directly on text data inside a standard select statement. It immediately returns a score, like this -50, representing the sentiment of your customer review. No complex infrastructure required. The main benefit is efficiency. By processing AI tasks where your data lives, you maintain security and save significant time. When working with massive data sets, standard queries can slow down. The Search Optimization Service, or SOS, is a game changer. It creates an index that speeds up point lookups by up to 100 times. How do you know if your query is efficient? The secret is the bytes scanned metric in the query profile. Scanning less data means faster results and lower costs. To use SOS, you simply enable it on the table columns you search most often. Remember, filter early to keep those bytes scanned low. Track your usage, enable search optimization for point lookups, and always aim to scan only the data you need. Your budget will thank you. The biggest shift in 2026 is the transition from writing manual SQL code to using AI assistance. You can now use natural language prompts, and Snowflake's AI translates them into optimized code. This brings human intent together with the power of automated systems, streamlining your daily data workflow. AI and ML are becoming the backbone of data integration, handling everything from quality to security. Practice your SQL basics, but know that the barrier to entry is lower than ever. Start small, filter early, and embrace the AI-powered cloud.